Tired of hunting for the bold button in Google Slides? You are not alone. It feels like it should be obvious, but when you are in a hurry, that one little button can be surprisingly hard to find. Well, today I am going to show you the fastest way to bold any text in your presentation. No more wasted time, no more frustration. Just clean, bold text in seconds. In this tutorial, I will walk you through 3 simple steps to get your text looking exactly how you want it. We will start from the very beginning, so even if you are brand new to Google Slides, you will be able to follow along easily. So, let us begin. First, you need to open your Google Slides presentation. This is probably already open on your screen, but if it is not, just head over to Google Slides in your browser and click on the file you want to work with. I have got one pulled up right here, and we are going to use it as our example. Remember, this whole process works the exact same way whether you are starting a brand new slide or editing an existing one. Now, here is the really important part. You need to highlight the specific text you want to make bold. Just click and drag your mouse over the words or the entire sentence. You can also double-click a word to select it quickly. In my experience, this is where most people make a little mistake. They click on the text box itself, but forget to actually highlight the words inside. If you do that and then press the bold button, nothing happens. So make sure you see that blue highlight over your text. If you are working with a title or a heading, you can even triple-click to grab the whole line in one go. It is a tiny trick that saves a ton of time. All right, so you have got your text selected. Now look up at the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see a bunch of icons. You've got your font size, your font name, and there it is, the bold button. It is just the letter B. Click that. Instantly, your text will look thicker and darker. If you want to be even faster, you can use the keyboard shortcut. On a Windows computer, just hold down the Ctrl key and press B. On a Mac, it is the Command key and then B. I use that shortcut all the time because it keeps my hands on the keyboard and my workflow moving. Now, take a second to verify that it worked. Look at your slide. Is your text darker? Does it stand out more? If it does, you are good to go. If it does not, just double-check that you actually clicked the button. Sometimes we think we clicked it, but the cursor was in a different spot. It happens. Just highlight the text again and give that B one more click. And just like that, you are done. Your text is bold, your presentation looks more professional, and you did it without any fuss. See how quick that was? No hunting around, no random menus, just simple, direct steps. Thanks for sticking with me. Hopefully now you can bold text in Google Slides without even thinking about it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.